Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lazy. Today I am super excited because I'm going to have lots and lots of conversations with you guys. There are lots of things we need to talk about. Yes. But before then, this is the look that I want to achieve today, and it's from one of my all-time favorite Nigerian makeup artist, Bibyonce. In all honesty, that woman is super talented. She's actually a Nigerian celebrity makeup artist, and I so much, in fact, I'm a fan of her work. You see, her eye makeup, super beautiful, and the most amazing thing is that she makes use of earth colors and everything just comes out so nice. Oh my god. And that's why today I want to make a replica of one of her works. So what she usually does is she starts off with the eyes. She actually starts from any point, depending, I guess it depends on her mood. Yeah, so she starts off with the eyes. That's what I noticed recently, and for this particular makeup look she started off with the eyes, and I'll be doing same. So I just want to use this opportunity to tell you, Bibyonce, your work is amazing. Just in case you come across this video anytime in this lifetime, I want to say that you're amazing, you are talented, and may God continue to bless the works of your hands. So today, like I said, we are going to talk about lots and lots of things. So the first thing we're going to talk about is before the election wahala, I would call it wahala because since after the election I've not been able to sleep well, because I cannot believe, like, if somebody had woken me up from sleep any day to tell me that Tinubu is going to be our president, I would have moved to Pluto a long time ago, even before the elections. Like, are you guys kidding me? Can't you remember NSAS? I still remember it just happened yesterday. All the same, I really want to use this avenue to applaud the youth because we really came out in our numbers, even though we know that during the election we were cheated. But at the end of the day, I still hope that, I really do hope that God takes charge, because whew, we really need to prepare ourselves for what's coming ahead. Right now I am just applying shadows just to make the eye makeup pop. So I'm going to leave all the products that I used for this particular video in the description box. You mustn't necessarily get the exact products, but as long as you have something close to what I am using, then you are good to go. Okay, so guys, I said we're going to talk about some things. Like, I want to talk about this today because I am sick and tired of it. So before the election wahala, I would call it wahala because me, I have not been able to sleep since after that election. I don't know about you. Okay, so before the election wahala, I noticed that some men, like men, why are you guys jealous? Like, why do you hate us? Like, I will not, no, hate is a strong word, so I wouldn't use hate. You guys are jealous because I can't imagine a group of men would arrange their parlor, a small place. They will just call all their community leaders, community members, or friends. They just arrange themselves in one parlor. As long as they have like 4 mics, they are good to go. And then they start talking about women, how women cannot make their money without the help of men. Like, who told you all that? Who told you? I know lots and lots of women that are successful just through the use of phones, social media, that are successful without the help of men. Okay, so I'm going to cite this example for you guys. I remember some years ago when I started my YouTube channel, there was this other lady that started hers as well. We're making how to tie GELE videos together. She was doing the same thing. She was also making videos on makeup, and then all of a sudden, I think about 2 years ago, she switched, like, she moved into how to make hair on herself. And trust me, this lady is doing marvelously. Like, she's wonderful. She's really good at what she does. And right now, if I tell you the kind of revenue that lady makes for herself just in a month, you wouldn't believe it. Trust me, that lady makes millions in just a month. Now, for such a person, would you say she lives off men? No. I'm going to speak for myself and just a few others, because yes, I do know that some women have their ways, but I'm not going to talk about that. But then I really want you guys to, wash that mentality of that so many women, because the way you guys see women, like, we can't do without your money. It makes no sense. I just want to tell you guys that so many women out there make their money genuinely. There are so many women out there that actually work for their money. Okay, so I'm not going to call names. So all of you are organizing your podcasts and whatever. I really want to tell you guys today that there are so many things happening in the country, in our society today, in the world. We are tired of men, women story, men, women, every day, men, woman, man, woman. We are tired. Like, don't you guys like suya? Don't you guys just like to go to a beach, just relax without the use of your phones, pressing your keyboard and writing things that are off point? Please leave women, men out of your mouth. Like, we have so many things happening in the society today that you could actually pick and talk about. You will not do that. So many things happening in the world. People are dying, people are sick, people are suffering. And then there are so many good things happening in the world too. You will not talk about that. It's only men, women, men, women, men, women. We are tired. Please get yourselves together. Get your acts together. You guys can do better. So we're going to move on to the second topic for today, which is how to monetize your hobby, like how to make money from the things you love. So the first thing is you have to know your interests. What do you love to do? Do you love to dance? If you love to dance, why are you not making videos and uploading them online to get money from such? Now, I see lots and lots of captivating videos, dance videos online. I spend like most of my data watching dance videos online, singing videos. Why are you not doing that? If you love to sing, why are you not making videos of yourself singing, posting them online and monetizing it? Yeah. If you love to apply makeup, why are you not posting videos of your work online and monetizing it? Like, I know lots and lots of persons that have gotten jobs, that have become brand ambassadors just through this. You need to be more open-minded. You need to get your work out there. Post. Like, there are lots of opportunities on social media. Trust me, there are lots of opportunities on social media. And like I said before, you need to be open-minded to harness into such opportunities and make good money from it. So let's take a quick break, guys. So at this point, I hope that I am not falling my own hands, because it's a different thing when you're doing your own work, and it's another thing when you're trying to make a replica of something else. I hope that at this point I was just skeptical, like, am I doing the right thing? Is it okay? But I do believe that at least at the end of the day, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, even though it wasn't exact, it wasn't that bad. Okay, so one thing I really do not like to do, it's recently that I started this anyway. Like, if you check my previous videos, you will hardly see videos of me making myself up. I really don't know that thing. Like I don't know that thing that makes me feel my work is going to be mocked or something. I don't know. There's just something. Just okay. Like me, I love to sing. I love to sing a lot. But when I sit down and a group of persons are listening to me sing, I feel awkward about it. Like, okay, take for example, another example. Each time I post my videos online, I don't go back to rewatch it. And then when somebody is watching one of my videos beside me, I just leave. Is either I leave or I ask them to stop. I don't know what that thing is called in English. I really do not know, but I don't know if I'm the only one that usually experiences this, but then that's just me. So over the years, I have not really been doing makeup videos on myself because um I'm never too sure about what it looks like on me. I just feel like makeup does not fit my face. Yes, let me just tell people the truth today. I feel makeup does not fit my face, but lately I'm beginning to, welcome the idea of having makeup on my face. And like I said, when I talked about monetizing what you love to do, I feel like I can diversify. I can apply makeup on people and try that on myself as well. It's also a way of doing what I love and a way of making money for myself. Yes, and here we are, guys. Here we are. So you guys already know how to draw brows now. I've dropped lots and lots of tutorials on how to draw brows. So this is just going to be very, very simple. I'm using a Davis brow pencil at this point, and I'm just drawing a thin line underneath my brow. I'm filling up the areas where I do not have enough hairs, and then connecting the upper line down towards the lower line. Simple as that. And then I am going to conceal. Yep. So we're saying something about uploading and then posting things that you really, really love. You need to start doing that. And the funny thing is, the way social media works is that particular video that you are skeptical about, that's the one that usually blows up. I really do not know why. It has happened to me lots and lots of times. So go out there, post things that you love to do. If you love to cook, if you love to dance, if you love to sing, if you love to write, if you love to make shoes, if you know how to repair electronics, go out there, put your work out and monetize it. You would definitely enjoy the whole ride. So right now it's just me concealing the top of the brow. Let me tell you, it's very, very funny. You will see us, we'll post a video of, let's say, 14 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It's hours of hard work compressed into those 10 minutes, those 5 minutes. So please be kind with your words. Anywhere you see content creators, hug them. Please, it's not easy. Okay, so we are onto the lips, and I'm going in with a brown shade of lippie at the upper and lower part of my lip, and also a nude shade of lippie at the inner corner of my lip. And I'm just going to smudge that properly by rubbing my lips against each other. I actually didn't know this look was going to come out like this. I was really, really skeptical at first making this, but at the end of the day, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, yes. So at this point, I'm just buffing out the excess powder from my face, all those serum that has to come with makeup. You have to dust off the excess powder from your face using your own shade of powder. Everything has to be clean and neat. So this is about the end of the video. This is me just applying setting spray so the makeup can last long. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope that my video has been helpful. I hope it was interesting. I hope you had fun. Yep, if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you learned something as well. Don't forget to also comment in the comment section. I want to see you guys. I want you all to share your own views on the topic we discussed. Do you want more of this kind of videos? If you do, don't forget to say that in the comment section. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. This makeup has to be popping, so that's why I'm applying highlighter. Let it pop, let it blind my enemies. So I want to hear from you guys. Is this a yay makeup or a nay? Is this a yes, like did we kill it or we didn't kill it? I want to hear from you guys. I love you all so much. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that next time I post, you'll be the first to know. I'll see you all. Bye.